Looking for a non-traditional punch for summer? I'm Brian Johnson, and in this episode of Better Cocktails at Home, we're going to make an original of mine. I call it the Mexican Royal Punch, and it's kind of my take on a non-traditional punch. It's very nice. So I'm not going to build a full punch size here. I'm going to use it kind of single serving, but the calculations are pretty easy if you're going to scale it up. So to get started with, I'm going to do half an ounce of lemon juice and add that to our rocks glass. Next ingredient is watermelon syrup. Now, how do you make watermelon syrup? It's very simple. Take watermelon, juice it, add sugar to the watermelon juice till it's, it's kind of I'd start at least 1 to 1, go up to 2 to 1, kind of see what you like. Somewhere in there is really good, but it's really simple to do, and it's kind of nice flavored syrup, very summery. I'm also going to do ½ ounce of the watermelon syrup and add that. Now next up is just a pinch of like a nice smoked salt, just to give it a little bit of saltiness. Not a ton, but that helps give it some smoke flavor. Kind of plays off the mezcal, which we'll be using. It just kind of helps to kind of incorporate it and really gets it going. So we are using mezcal. This is a mezcal punch. I'm using Maguey VIDA here. I love mixing with it. We're going to do 1 ounce of this and add that to our glass. Now at this point, we're going to add some ice to our glass. And stir to kind of get those ingredients incorporated, get that salt to kind of mix a little bit. Alright, that's pretty good. I'm going to top with for a single serving drink, about 2 ounces of cava, which is a sparkling wine. Just right to the top of it. That to be exact. And then I'll just give that one more stir, just to incorporate the flavors. Then as far as the garnish, I'll just take an even very small amount. Just like literally a couple flakes, get a little of that aroma from the smoke. That's it. It's a very kind of light punch, very refreshing. I kind of initially started, I made some water. I was like, hey, I want to make some watermelon syrup. And I was like, what would go well with this? Kind of started thinking mezcal would be good. And then it kind of got me into that smoky area, so I added a little bit of the smoked salt in, give it a little kind of just richness to it. And then I like to kind of top it with the cava, just because I think it helps lighten it. And so that's kind of how I arrived at this punch here. And I really like it. I'm really happy with how it turns out. I think it's a kind of a great non-traditional punch. It's because mezcal is not one of those classic ingredients in punches. But it scales up really easily if you're going to make it larger format. If you want to use just like a full bottle of mezcal, I'd say 1 bottle of mezcal, 2 full bottles of cava, about 12 ounces of lemon juice, about 12 ounces of watermelon syrup, and that's going to scale up pretty big for you. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it, and that's how you make the Mexican Royal Punch.